Yeah, today we could take them clean down and wash out them curtain here and put up nice clean curtain. But guys, honestly, them curtain you could take them more often. Yeah, not only once a year. Shame on me. Happy Tuesday to you all. Yeah. Yeah, time for you to come down. Woo! I will take the next one.
All he wanna do is gas me. How we end up in the backseat, just trying to get to the bag. We on the same page, you the same way. Only keep the fam around me, so let me know what it's gonna be. I don't plan on getting no sleep while we doing our thing, moving too fast. Candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Boy, I got 5, you know it's so live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide, baby, when we gon' slide. Hey. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Oh, hey, hey, baby, when we gon' slide, 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 slide. I don't care if we on a run, nothing matters when we one-on-one. Looking at us cause we going dumb. We on the same wave, you the same way. You know I'll be down if it's with you. Where we going, baby, what's the move? We should take a trip up to the moon. Get a room, doing our thing, moving too fast. Candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Boy, I got 5, you know it's so live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide, baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Hey, up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide.
I need a vacation. I need my bitch in an apron. Booty all out cooking bacon. Orange juice and ace we drinking. I only come out when the stars out. I'm on a mission but we fall out. The city talking with a large mouth. Yeah, they after the boy like Fallout. 400. Drop it, give me 50, girl, drop it, give me 50. Used to slide with me, but you be tripping when you miss me. You gon' hold me close and on your neck gon' be a hit. I ain't gotta do too much, I know what get you stick. I ain't gotta know astrology, I know your vibe. Skip the foreplay, you don't let niggas fuck with your mind. I ain't giving out apology when I'm behind. Fucking up the seats of the brand new ride.
Moving too fast, candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Boy, I got 5, you know it's so live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide, baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Hey, up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide.
Fucking up the seats of the brand new ride.
Baby, we ain't gon' last, baby. We ain't gon' last, baby. We ain't gon' last, baby. Your intuition has been telling you things that you never knew. Rubbing shoulders with bitches I used to put on pedestals, but still I keep it professional. Laying in the bed and you acting like I can't even touch you. I don't know why you do that. Shower with the door open, why you do that? Drop the towel right in front of me, you cruise. Going on, baby. Talk to me, baby. Say it to me straight. Then I make a mistake and I can't concentrate while you're standing there naked. Acting strange, yeah. Something tells me we ain't gon' last, baby. 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 And something tells me we ain't gon' last, baby. We ain't gon' last, baby. We ain't gon' last, baby. We ain't gon' last.
Guys, I'm sweating. This is what you call a workout. Yeah. So guys, if you like this video so far, like the video, subscribe, share, hit the notification bell for Amanda's Reality, leave a positive comment. Okay. everything in there. Get tea dong, white dong, boom dong, yeah, shell dong, and spray dong, yeah.
Get the money and go. This shit is hot like a stove. My pussy glitter is gold. Tell that little bitch play her role. I just don't over no rolls. I just came up in a rave. I need to fill up the tank. No, I need to fill up the safe. I need to let all these hoes know they none of they niggas is safe. I go to dinner and steak. Only the real can relate. I used to live in the
Alright, so do I want to do the greens? It's yellow or gray? Comment below. I'm more leaning towards the gray color, you know? Don't want the yellow color to outshine the green. We'll see what I choose. We'll see. this is the beautiful look. Yes, the final look. Alright, I'm loving my green curtains. Yes, so the green curtains and the sheets I bought them at Home Depot. That's in Greater Portmore. Yeah, Koshita blue pan bed, nice and clean. Yeah, clean tile pan floor. Yeah, nice little black blanket on the bed. Yeah, watch curtain, guys. Look at curtain. Alright, so the green curtain, the gray curtain, I bought it last year. I think it was downtown or maybe halfway through. Yeah. So guys, take a look. If you're loving my green curtains or loving the overall look, drop a comment, guys. Drop a comment. Share the videos, guys. Yeah, I'm loving it. So this video is basically in slow motion, so I'm taking the time and look at each and every details, not only the sheet and curtain but the tile on the floor, the bedded, yeah, the stand with the stuff on it, yeah, the windows, yeah man, look people, look good. Yeah, you liking it? Because I'm loving it, guys. Yeah, so share the videos, guys, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell for Amanda's reality. Beautiful. Alright, look on the glass, nice and clean. I bought the what you call it? I think you call it screech or something. Glass clean. I bought it also in Home Depot yesterday. Couch spray up nice and clean, fan clean, yeah, even the TV clean, everything. Tired and calm, guys.